I have been trying to record this for a while, I just keep forgetting. But I was in Ross, like, oh my goodness, probably weeks ago, and saw this cleanse kit. You know, they have these near the checkout line, so you could just spend more fucking money that you really don't need to be spending. So yeah, so you have that one. So you have a cleanse kit, and then this is the book that we got today. My mother has the other one, which is the meal prep for beginners. But this kit is interesting. So it's like it's 14 days of the cleanse kit. So they have it like day 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and then day 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So you do day 1, you have your, so you have all these teas on the first day. And then your second day, you go to the second list, and then you go back over for the third one. So I'm like, okay. So the first one, this is lemon. It's a superfood. Everything's a damn superfood. No color, no GMO. Um, what else does it say? High quality, has calcium, iron, vitamins, and all of the same essentials as amino acids, and protein like quinoa or meat. So you have that one. Then the afternoon tea is the mint tea, Japanese pure matcha. I'm not even going to pronounce that. And then this mint. So this one is a blend of richness, Japanese matcha green tea, and the light, smooth, and refreshing flavor of the Ceylon green tea for high impact taste experience. So then you have the evening tea, which is a colon cleanse, blackberry, improves digestive health. And this one is for symptoms of occasional constipation, or if you want to detoxify your body. So you have, so these are those, the top, those are the three flavors. Then for the bottom, you have mango green tea. I love mango. I freaking love mango. It's the same thing that is said about superfoods and quinoa and meat and all the other good shit. Then the afternoon one is more of the Japanese pear matcha, but this time you have ginger. I love having ginger tea. I actually had some yogi. Was it yogi tea that I had? That was ginger and peach tea. You know what? I don't think it was yogi tea, but it was some ginger and peach tea that I made, and I just made a large batch of it and just stuck it in the refrigerator so I could have. Then you have a cranberry colon cleanse. So of course they say the same thing. So these are the ones that you're supposed to have morning, noon, and night. And how to use. So it just says more. It doesn't say. I'm sorry if it's not clear, but it just tells you what it has in it, which tea you drink for morning, afternoon, or night. So it doesn't say if you drink this before you eat, while you're eating, 30 minutes before, half an hour later. That's stupid. 30 minutes and half an hour is the same shit. An hour later, half an hour later, so it doesn't expire until 2021. But it just gives you more what to do for the week one. So it just tells you what's in it, vitamin B, how it works, and vitamin B, C, the catechins, and the LDL. So this is also good because this helps me with my practice exam for my ESCP certification. So it's still still think about it. So this one I'll do once I can maintain the proper eating habits that I want to do. What is it? Today's the 17th. So I probably won't do this. I've had this kid, like I said, probably for like a month or two now. But I will not do this probably until June. I want to be able to get like a full 14 days straight instead of starting in the middle of the month, because I also want to make sure that I have the foods I want to eat with it. Healthy foods, and not just trying to figure out what I want and then trying to put it together. I want to kind of have like an organized system to use this. And then the Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. This chicken looks good. Um, I have not ate red meat, pork, chicken, turkey, bison, any of that shit. Probably in 3 weeks, I think. But I'm also know that I'm realistic, so if I go out and or somebody's at Popeyes or they bring me something, Or if I'm like, you know what, I think I'm gonna go to Burger King and get me a chicken. Or I think I'm gonna go buy me some organic chicken, have it. I'm going to eat it. Am I going to down myself for doing it? Fuck no. Because I'm not perfect and I'm not restricting my diet. I know that I'm cutting out a lot of meats and everything, and even some dairy. I'm just taking it as a stride of what I want to take out of my diet. So, um, chicken looks good, but it's a little shiny. I don't like wet chicken. Like, fried chicken, fine. Baked chicken's cool. If it has any glaze up there, it has to be baked on so it's sticky. I hate wet sauces on my chicken. I hate wet sauces. Period. It irks me. Like when I was stationed in Texas, I love the barbecue and I love the brisket, and it was good and it was dry rub. I love dry rubs. Them sauces, unless it's baked on and it's nice and crispy. I mean, not crispy, but nice and sticky. I don't want that shit on my fingers. It just irks the fuck out of me. So these are good, and I'm like, this look like rice pilaf and some green beans and almonds. I love almonds. I'm like addicted to almonds. So let's have to run through this book, but that is a beautiful refrigerator. This is actually what I would love for my refrigerator to look like. It's gonna come, it's just everything is with time, but just to come in and be like, what do I want to eat? And then you know what you have, you pull your snacks and everything, then you have just like your regular fruits and vegetables and just stuff in there. Because I'm not prepping my whole damn refrigerator, but I'm prepping enough. So this is what's in it, the meal prep 101. Meal plans, breakfast, everything you want to have. I always do. I honestly, even though I say I'm not going to restrict myself, I just automatically skip the poultry and meat sections. I've been doing that for a while, and I just focus on the fish. See, I focus from breakfast to the breakfast, grain, salads, and fish and seafood, and then I go to the snacks and the sauces and dressing. I actually do skip it. Not anything, not no reason, but sometimes I see it, I'm like, oh God, no, I don't want that shit in there. But this, I can't wait to really get into it. Like that looks really good, and you could have all type of that. See, I'm a person who the pear cinnamon oat muffins. I'm the person who will have, excuse me, a lot of muffins or breakfast cookies because I normally don't like eating breakfast, but you have to eat breakfast. So I'll be the person that'll be making all types of muffins in the morning. I do not like asparagus, and it kind of defeats the purpose of having it wrapped in bacon. I mean, if I want to be healthy, I'm not eating the bacon. Okay, well, that should ever. Oven roasted tomato quinoa. I'm not going to tell you, when I first seen this, I thought it was Kiona or quinoa. My mom was like, it's quinoa or kiwa. I forgot how the hell it's pronounced. I'm like, well, that's not what the hell it look like. So then you got tuna salad. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Thai chicken stir fry. I can always get, what is it, seitan? It's not seitan, Sidian. It's that soy meat strips you have. Seitan. I've been calling that shit Satan for like I don't know how long. So I could always just change up the meat that's in there. Beer brisket. Now see, this just isn't fair. Chocolate energy balls. Ugh, I love chocolate. Love chocolate. Cinnamon cocoa popcorn. No. Only popcorn I like. Okay, now we normally make our own popcorn. We just take the corn and we shake it in coconut oil and let it pop itself and just put a little salt on it. But if I'm going to go out and buy popcorn, it has to be white cheddar popcorn. I will not eat any other type of popcorn because I honestly don't like popcorn. But the white cheddar just makes it so fucking delicious. Plain or white cheddar. If you give me the cheese popcorn, I'm gonna be really upset. I can't stand that. It's just disgusting. I like the 2 week meal, 2 week meal plans. You have the clean eating, weight loss, and muscle builder, and then you can always mix and match. The break now, I really don't focus too much on the breakdowns. The only thing I do want to concentrate on is how much fiber and protein that I'm getting, and making sure that the sugar and sodium is low. Other than that, I'm not counting calories. I'm not counting shit. I'm not a calorie counter. Fuck that. I'm just not. Because when it comes for me losing weight, I don't lose weight by, oh, my clothes are dropping. No, that's not how that works at all with my ass. When I lose weight, it shows in my hands and it starts to show a little bit in my stomach. Other than that, my pants do not. Ain't shit different because my hips are huge. My hips are a 49, and I plan on tightening them up, tightening my butt up. So that's what I like. But the hips are at 49 inches. The motherfuckers do not go nowhere. I think they were 52, and I've lost like 30 pounds since the beginning of the year. So now they're 49 inches. As you can tell, I ain't go that far. I don't want it to go any further. Like, I like that. Got a nice shape, so I ain't trying to lose that. But just the belly fat and just tightening up my arms is cool. So yeah, so I actually look forward to going through this and seeing what they have, and especially now that it's summertime and we have the grill out. See, look at that, look at that. Breakfasts, these cookie pear cinnamon oat muffins, lemon cranberry ricotta muffins, a tropical green smoothie, sweet potato protein pancakes. Like, holy shit. Tart cherry almond breakfast cookies, apple walnut. I don't like walnuts. I only eat almonds. I don't like cashews. Almonds and peanuts. I don't like cashews. I don't like walnut. I'm weird. I don't like a lot of shit. I'm just fucking weird. But looking at this prep and then working it with tea, because I'm not drinking this tea hot. That's just not gonna happen. It doesn't say it has to be hot. It doesn't say it has to be cold. It really doesn't have any fucking things up here. So I normally, oh, now what I would do is, since it's 3 teas, I can no, because what I do is I say I would just boil all these, and then but then it'll just be way too much because I already have 2 containers in the refrigerator. One has detox tea in it, and another container has the ginger tea, the ginger peach tea. But I think I drank that already, but I'm gonna make some more. So I guess I'll just have to do these separately, and then just boil the water, let these steep, and then just pour them into cold water and drink. It all depends, because sometimes, it's like some crisp mornings where you may want something warm. So this will probably, and then I don't know. I don't know. I may just do these hot throughout the day. I have to see how I feel about having something hot during the wintertime, summertime, because I hate hot foods and I hate hot shit during the summertime because I'm already hot. So we'll figure it out. But I think these two will work really good. Of course, the meal prep I'm going to be doing way before I do this one. But I definitely want to get into the feel of this. So this is finally finished. And of course, I will keep updates. Most likely the updates are going to be on my Instagram, which is listed in the description box. So other than that, I will be back another time. Hopefully, this time, I'll have more food being shown up from the garden because I'm so excited. Um, we have another 7 days of rain, another 7 fucking days of rain. But hopefully, by the end of the week, we'll actually see some food. We'll actually see everything starting to really blossom and come out. So I'm looking forward to it. So, other than that, y'all enjoy your day.